Pokemon, gotta catch 'em all. Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is LC with Loyal Crypto. Thanks for joining me today. Now today we have a project by the name of Polkamon. Not Pokemon, but Polkamon. So Polkamon is one of the exciting projects that's happening right now in NFTs. It's been on a rage. So a lot of people are excited about this project because one, I know back in '97, I was collecting nothing but Pokemon cards. I was watching the shows, I was trying to be Ash Ketchum. So I know it's bringing back a lot of good times for some people. And also the NFT market is raging right now. So Polkamon is a Polkadot project and it's offering NFT collectibles, all right? So I'm gonna get into the project now. And if you like content like this, please like, subscribe, and share. Now let's get into it.
So today we're discussing Polkamon. So Polkamon's ticker is PMON, that's PMON, and the price today is $34.56. That's down 1.4% with a market cap of 55 million. So what's really attracted me about this project is the supply, and the circulating supply is 1.6 million with a max supply of only 9.9 million. All right, so let's just say 10 million to round up. And you see that they're ranked 525th by market cap, and this NFT is currently ranked, it is ranked number 35 under NFTs. So I would consider this a low cap gem. It's only been on the market, I want to say less than 14 days at the time of my recording. But yeah, NFTs, you already know, I think it's going to explode. And the NFT market cap is currently $28.8 billion. Now, I want to show you what I think about Polkamon because it has an interesting play in the market. You definitely have the gameplay, you definitely have the NFT art collectible, and I think their roadmap is really solid and is making me want to actually buy some. Alright, so Polkamon, collect ultra rare digital monsters. Grab PMON and experience the thrill of unveiling ultra rare digital monsters only you can truly own. Now, this project was incubated and supported by Moonrock Capital and Morningstar Ventures. These two are huge. If you don't know, now you know. So supercharge your collection and trade PMON. Polkamon are beautiful animated digital collectibles with varying scarcities. Each Polkamon is backed by a truly unique NFT and can be unpacked with PMON tokens. So you have the ultra rare NFTs, supercharge your collection by unpacking PMON tokens to reveal ultra rare Pokemon or swap your NFTs for PMON tokens. Now the high liquidity token. The PMON token adds unmatched liquidity to the project by providing a two-way swapping mechanism between the NFT and PMON. So this is a hyperdeflationary project. It also has staking and it's cross-chain. Now the cross-chain is important, all right? I'll get to that in a second. So here you can see the different rarities in Pokemon. You have the color, the glitter, the horns, the ultra rares. So it's an interconnected ecosystem of apps and marketplaces. As digital collectibles, Pokemon can be utilized by ever-growing blockchain-based ecosystems. To accelerate this process, Pokemon will exist in native mobile apps and widgets. Now, this basically means you can take it with you wherever you want to go. And just scrolling down, discover endless possibilities for further utilization. So physical collectibles cannot be accessed by modern art and games. However, as digital collectibles backed by non-fungible tokens, Pokemon can easily be integrated into many exciting blockchain connected products. So you see here the NFT and metadata. So the exciting times ahead. I'm loving this roadmap. So one, bringing the Pokemon to life. They want to add music and create sounds so you actually feel like this Pokemon is your pet within your phone. That is really interesting. It reminds me of Gigapets back in the 90s. I'm not sure if you guys know, but yeah, Gigapets was a hit in the 90s. So I think that can be huge and people can become very addicted quick. Number two, expanding the utilization ecosystem. Number three, new Pokemon. You have advanced staking. So staking is one of the best mechanisms to reward long-time supporters in crypto projects. Now they're also going to introduce more super rares. You have layer 2 art. Layer 2 art is planned to be an important part of the Pokemon universe. Now, the number one thing that I'm most interested in is number 7, and that's the Polkamon Arena. Now, this is gonna get so much interest. If people are in crypto at 14 years old, they're gonna be interested in this Polkamon Arena. And I don't care, you might be 40 years old and you're still gonna be interested in this Polkamon Arena because this is gonna take you back to 97 when you actually wanted to be Ash Ketchum, okay? So I feel like this is gonna get a mass market. So just having a little Pokemon in your phone, you can groom it, you can train it, and now you can battle it. I feel like this is just gonna have so much attention, so many eyes from outside of the crypto space and just naturally in the crypto space. When they see an NFT having this type of mass traction onto the platform, I definitely think this could be sustainable even throughout the bear season. The bear season, of course, we understand the bear season may come. I'm not saying it's going to be anytime soon, but when it does come, I can see a project like this having utilization through another 4-year bear cycle, okay? Because people are going to be coming to it every day to battle and maybe groom their Pokemon. I just feel like this is going to be nice in the marketplace. All right, so we have an article here on April 10th, Behind the Booster, how PMON booster packs work. So let's scroll down and let's see how it works. Let me just skip down here. What are the Pokemon booster packs? On the Pokemon platform, Pokemon booster packs are containers that mint Pokemon creature NFTs. Under the hood, these packs are part of a smart contract system that allows the community to open these booster packs with PMON, similarly to how one performs a token swap on DEX like Uniswap. Community members can open these booster packs with up to 20 packs supported at a time. Opening a booster pack is fairly easy and straightforward. A user must connect their Web3 enabled wallet to the Pokemon website and simply select how many packs to open. Alright, so I'm going to let you guys read the rest of this article and put that in the description below. And the next news I have is Pokemon is going cross-chain with Elrond. This was dropped on April 7th. So just scrolling down, today we are thrilled to announce the beginning of a long-term partnership to bring the many-fold universe of Pokemon to Elrond. Gas fees are well known to be a problem in the crypto community, exactly, especially for gaming and collectibles. By partnering with Elrond, we're taking an important step toward making Pokemon more accessible. Boom. So, like I said, the project is moving toward doing something about these gas fees. They don't want the project Steam to be bogged down by the high gas fees, and this is just the beginning of altcoin season. Let's think about midway through altcoin season. Let's think about the end of altcoin season when it's at its peak. People are not going to be able to do much, okay? So them being forward thinking, they want to make sure they can spread across other ecosystems. So a person that's involved with the Pokemon project, they have multiple ways to interact, all right? So I'm just pondering, are they also in talks with Binance? Now, this isn't a rumor. This is just my speculation. This is how my mind works. If they went to Elrond, wouldn't it be a good idea for them to maybe talk to the number 3 in crypto right now, which is Binance? That would be interesting because I know Binance is doing a lot of plays right now with NFTs. And hey, if Pokemon had this much hype in its first 2 weeks, that would be interesting to see them going over to Binance. Again, this is just speculation. This is not even a rumor. This is just LC talking. All right, let me get over to the other news. Now, what will your Pokemon be? Understanding Rarity. This was dropped on April 2nd. All right, so let's scroll down. In the manifold universe of Pokemon, PMON tokens are used to acquire booster packs. These booster packs are unpacked on the blockchain, revealing 3 random Pokemon. Which ones will you get? Okay, that's what everyone wants to know. How rare are they? Read on to learn how it works. So, shortly after PMON tokens were made publicly tradable, we enable booster packs on the Pokemon website. 1 PMON is used for opening 1 booster pack containing 3 Pokemon. This means PMON holders are now able to start minting their very own Pokemon. And you have all your species here. Okay, so understanding the rarity of Pokemon. Although each booster pack will contain 3 Pokemon, which one you get depends on several factors. For starters, each Pokemon has a different rarity. Unidonkeys are the most common with a 90% probability of receiving 1 per booster pack, while Unidragons are the rarest at 1%. So you see here, you see the types and the probabilities. I want you guys to look in here and see what you are getting. So click in this article here and you can dive in and you can see the different rarities and what makes them special. You want to add up these percentages to see how rare your Pokemon is, and that is going to hold extreme value when you think about reselling them. All right, so let me get over to the chart and let you know what I'm seeing there. All right, so I have a PMON chart pulled up here. I was already putting some levels in there, so let me just pull that retracement back up. So I see that Pokemon made a huge surge on the first day it came to market, and what DEX tools are showing me right now is starting off at $2.13. So I'm just gonna start my retracement there and go to swing high and just drag this out. And what we can see is we're trading around our 50% retracement. So if you scroll in, you can see that our baseline we're currently trading under, but it's coiling really tight onto this baseline in our 50% retracement line. So I want to see how well it's going to hold there, because it's still not closing above consistently for me to want to say, okay, we're completely bullish in this short-term cycle. But what I do see is we tried after we made this double dip. So that is a double bottom here. So double bottoms are always great. That's a bullish sign. But after we made this double bottom, we tried to retest our resistance line. And for a good second, we was in a good consolidation here around our 382. So this area here, I would basically say is some strong resistance in this zone. And what I do want to see is us rally and break past this resistance before I can say we can make some new all-time heights. So before we even think about reaching somewhere at the $60 mark, I want to see us break strong past this resistance, because we keep getting beat down. And what I'm looking at as well is the volume. So in the beginning, let me see if I can scroll in. I'm not sure if you guys can really see down there. So if you guys can draw your eyes over here. All right, so you see this volume. We have a mass amount of volume in the opening days. Of course, it was very hyped, and we seen it go all the way up to $68 in that $70 zone. And what we had at top volume of a 2-hour candlestick was 12.37 million. All right, we're nowhere close to that right now. So once I start seeing volume pick up, I'll be more excited to see, okay, maybe we're getting some strength, maybe we're rallying to break past this resistance zone. Currently right here on this last candle was 100,000 on a 2-hour candle. So I really want to see what the volume is going to tell me, so I can get more confidence to see where this thing's going to go, or if it's going to go down a little lower. Let me look at our indicators, and maybe that can give us some insight. Okay, so I have our indicators here. Now I am on DEX tool, so I'm using the MACD for my trend indicator. And what it's telling me is that we're currently coiling around our zero line. So it looked like it's going underneath again. What I want to see is some strong movement to the upside so we can break past the zero line. Because if you look at the trend, after the strong move of our opening all-time high, we're looking like we've been trading under the zero line for some time. So I want to see some massive strength for us to break upward, so I can say, all right, the bleeding is done and I can't buy lower. But like I said, I am interested in this project, so I have no problem with it going down a little lower, because I'm going to pick up a bag. Right now I'm not invested in it, but I'm waiting to see where it's going to bottom out. And on our stochastics RSI, let me bring that up a little bit, we are trading under our 50 line. Okay, and it looks like we dipped under the 50 line around April 9th. And I want to see a nice movement to the upside, so I can say, all right, I see people rallying, I see it's found its bottom, and now we can look for some sunny side up. Let me give you my quick price predictions, because I am bullish on this project in the long term. I feel like the long term, they have a nice roadmap, and they're just waiting to develop a lot more of these features. So let's look where I think this price will go. Okay, so for my fib extension this time around, I'm not going to go as far down as the $2 mark, because that huge candle, that can throw off our calculations. So after this huge candle was made, I see that we have a red candle that was indifferent, and then when that candle marked, we started to move in a nice motion where I can read price action. So let me just start my fib extension from there. So I'm going to swing high, and honestly, I'm going to use this point over here where we bounced, because it showed me a double bottom, and I think double bottoms are very bullish. So I'm going to swing it down there, and let's see where we're going. So first we have a 1.272 here at $80. So let me put that in green. So $80.57. I think that's going to be our first strike zone after we beat this all-time high. And I feel like that is a very solid price prediction in the short term, because we had a massive run as soon as it came to market. So once this finds its bottom, it can definitely hit this mark. The next price zone and where our golden range is going to be $97 with our 1.618. So it can be anywhere from $80 to $96. And I'm very happy about this zone as well. Just scrolling up a little bit. At this time, I'm gonna say our long-term price prediction is gonna be $140. Now, $140 is massive. The project definitely had to show me some some range of motion before we hit that zone. So this is going to be a long-term price prediction, all right? I'm not saying this is gonna happen in April, okay? I feel like $80 and $96 are gonna be some points that we wanna focus on, but $140, I can see it being there sometime during this altcoin season, but I'll leave that there just so you guys can have it marked down, or if you're writing or taking notes, have $140 as a long-term price target. But I think Polkamon is a strong project. Definitely when we get the items on the roadmap put into place, I feel like this thing can be massive.
Alright, so if you like content like this, please like, subscribe, and share. I'm going to keep coming to you with these altcoin gems. I think Polkamon is going to be a nice project for you to have in your portfolio because it's taking a little dip right now, but I see nothing but upside when it starts going into altcoin season. And Polkamon, when you have a project like this with this much excitement, you need the pumpamentals with the fundamentals, okay? I see a good roadmap. I see the community. I see a lot of excitement here. With good technicals, I think this thing could have a massive run. So like always, I'm gonna keep coming to you with these altcoin gems. And until next time, one.